วัสดีค่ะ I'm Pam. Welcome back to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Today let's make ต้มยำปลา It's a beautiful day in Hout Bay. Let's go to the fish market together. Alright, so here we are at the Hout Bay harbour looking for the fresh fish. Let's have a look what they have. Here's a selection from this shop. They have Kingklip, the red snappers, yellowtail,
tuna, calamari,
look at
haddock.
that. Look at that. And at this shop, look what they have. That is a huge octopus. Thank you. I think I'm gonna take 3 more of these small red snappers. Yes, please. Thanks. This is 3 for 60.
Yes.
That's correct. Okay. Wanna keep the head on and everything, please?
Okay.
Thank you so much. So this is the fish that I'm gonna use in tom yum soup. Kingklip. Got lots of fish. Let's go make tom yum. Let's see the ingredients. Lots of herbs. It's gonna be good. Garlic, red onion, lemongrass, green onion, coriander, kaffir or makrut lime leaves, limes, fresh and dried chilies, galangal. Some of you may not be familiar with this herb. This one is from the jar, but then the fresh one with the skin on, it looks so similar to ginger. Oh gosh, I cannot. Oh my god, I cannot open this. Yes, it does look similar to ginger, but no, you cannot substitute with ginger, at least for this menu and in Thai cuisine anyway. Galangal gives kind of piney, citrusy, fresh aroma, while ginger is hot. They taste completely different. If you can't really find galangal, it's totally okay just to leave it out. You will have enough aroma from other herbs. Just do not replace it with ginger. And if you like, you can also add some tomatoes and mushrooms. I'm having a mixed pack which includes shimeji, fresh shiitake, and oyster mushrooms. There are some types of mushrooms we don't add in tom yum though. Check out in the description of the video. Seasonings, we're gonna use fish sauce, tamarind, using a chunk like this. And then we're gonna pour 4 to 5 tablespoons warm water to soften it. Break it out a little. And then we're just gonna leave it aside and let the warm water work for us. Fish. I'm using Kingklip for this menu. The selection of fish can be different depending where you're at. In Thailand, we wouldn't use Kingklip because we have other common fish locally. You can check out the recommended fish list in the description of the video. And to clean them very nicely, we're gonna use salt and cornstarch. Clean like how I do, your fish won't be fishy. So sprinkle some salt, about 1 tablespoon for 1 kilogram of fish, and then a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Water. Clean them thoroughly. Do not be too rough. We don't want to break the fish meat. The cornstarch will help removing the fish slime, the mucilage, which is the excessive fishy part. Rinse with water for a few times again. And our fish is good. Now let's prepare the rest. 8 to 10 cloves garlic. Mash with a knife or pound in mortar and pestle roughly to break out the fragrance and to peel the skin off easily. red onion cut into pieces. Three to 4 stalks of lemongrass, bruise them. And cut. Not too small, we don't eat these herbs, we just need their aroma. Galangal, slice. Green onion, about 2 inches. Coriander, bloop. Mushrooms. We're just gonna remove the chewy balls right here. Just cut them off. $80 grams of tomatoes, any tomato, cut into the bite size. Before squeezing the lime juice, give them some massage and you'll get a little more juice. So how many limes depends on how juicy your limes are. We're gonna need about 3 tablespoons lime juice. Chilies as much as you like. We're gonna mash them roughly. By now, tamarind should be ready. You can remove the seeds or leave it. I'll put the whole thing. Hope my mom doesn't watch this video, she'll think I'm lazy. But she's probably watching. Hi mom! Toast the dried chilies. No oil, no nothing. Just a medium-low heat pan. Keep them moving until fragrant. In a pot, pour 1.3 liter of water. We're on medium heat right now. We're gonna wait until water boils. Then the first couple things to add are garlic and red onion. Boil for about a couple minutes to get the natural sweetness from them. Gently put the fish in the boiling water. Do not stir yet. You can poke the fish to make sure it's underwater though. Then let the fish cook for about 5 minutes. If your fish contains some fat, you can expect some foam floating on the surface. Just skim them off. Then add 40 gram lemongrass and 40 gram galangal. Some recipes they add lemongrass and galangal at the beginning. That is not wrong and you can also do that if you want, but my version is not wrong either. We add these two after, so the citrusy aroma will still be obvious. So go at your convenience. Stir gently. We try to avoid breaking the fish meat. Add the mushrooms and tomatoes. Now season with 4 tablespoons tamarind, 5 tablespoons fish sauce. Then you can taste if the saltiness is okay for you already or not. The brand of fish sauce also affects the fish sauce smell and flavor, but just a little bit. And then once it's good, we're gonna add these 10 gram coriander, 10 gram green onion, Kaffir or makrut lime leaves, bruise and hand rip them. Turn the heat off. Add the chilies. If you're not sure with the spice, you can add the chili later individually in the bowl. Dry chilies will bring more spice aroma. Toasted dry chili should be easy to break like this. If you only want the spice fragrant, you don't need to break them. Just put the whole toasted dry chilies. It's usually more spicy than the fresh ones, but I love it very spicy, so I'm putting them all. Finish up with 3 tablespoons lime juice. You can add in the pot right now or add later individually in your own bowl. That way the flavors are sharper and easier to share. If some people you're sharing this meal with wanted more sour, spicier, their bowls, you can let them decide. It smells so good. The cook has the first taste. Now I'm gonna tell you one ingredient that I didn't add in the soup because I cannot find it here. But this ingredient will bring that hidden aroma which will make this tom yum even more special. It is holy basil, not any other type of basil. Holy basil. I mean, this version without it is awesome already. If you can't find in your area, add about 10 grams at the very end of the cooking, like when you turn the heat off and then you just sprinkle on top. Trust me, you will love to have it. Some garnishing here. Remember, we don't actually eat galangal, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, but I put them for the virtual taste elements, and this is how we normally serve tom yum anyways. I hope you like it. If you like this recipe, please leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Thai and Asian recipes, and if you have any comments or any question about the recipe, you can always leave it in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you shortly. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ